If you have a voucher code on Binance and you don't know where to claim it, here's the new method you should follow. First, open your Binance app and make sure you're logged in. On the home screen, tap Profile or the small person icon in the top corner. Then look for Reward Center or Gift Center. This is where all your vouchers, cashback, and bonuses are stored. If you already have a code, tap Redeem or Claim Voucher, then enter the code manually or paste it. After that, confirm it and check if it shows up under available rewards. Some vouchers need you to use them in trading, earn, or spot balance. So read the details so you don't miss the conditions. If you don't see the reward center, update your app or switch to light mode off in settings because vouchers don't show in light mode. Once the code is claimed, it will automatically apply during your next trade or deposit, depending on the type of voucher. Always double check the expiry date so you don't waste it. That's all. Simple steps, and your Binance rewards should now be active and ready to use. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.